Welcome back to DECOLOVA, your ultimate destination for innovative home design inspiration. Today, we're exploring the captivating world of room dividers, showcasing 10 unique concepts that blend creativity and functionality. From elegant glass panels to vibrant stained glass art, each design will help you redefine your living space. Let's dive in and discover how these stunning room dividers can transform your home. Step into elegance with frosted glass room dividers adorned with delicate floral engravings. These sophisticated panels diffuse light beautifully, creating a warm and inviting ambience perfect for any modern living space. Discover how this timeless design blends functionality and style, adding a touch of luxury to your home. Transform your living space with an eye-catching wooden hexagon room divider. This unique design features interlocking panels that mimic a honeycomb pattern, enhanced with soft LED lighting for a cozy, contemporary look. Learn how to incorporate this innovative piece to create both division and unity within your space. Embrace the bohemian spirit with a rattan room divider, woven intricately to form geometric patterns. With hanging macrame elements, this room separator adds texture and artistic flair to your living space. Dive into the charm of boho-chic decor that's as functional as it is beautiful. Reimagine the classic Japanese shoji screen with a modern twist. Featuring stained glass panels encased in minimalist black frames, this room divider infuses elegance and color into serene spaces. Discover how to create a calm, yet vibrant, atmosphere perfect for a meditation corner or reading nook. Step into the future of interior design with metallic room dividers that boast abstract cutout patterns. Perfect for casting intricate light and shadow effects, these movable panels add a touch of industrial artistry to urban lofts and modern homes. Explore how these dividers redefine open spaces with a creative edge. Discover the perfect fusion of industrial style and artistry with iron and glass room dividers. Etched with modern motifs, these dividers bring a bold, urban vibe to any loft or contemporary living space. Learn how to incorporate this edgy yet elegant piece into your home decor. Add a splash of color and whimsy to your home with stained glass room dividers inspired by Art Nouveau. These panels glow in natural light, creating a vibrant focal point in any room. Watch how these artistic screens transform spaces into enchanting retreats full of personality and charm. Step into vintage luxury with room dividers crafted from deep tufted velvet and accented with gold trimmings. Perfect for bedrooms or living rooms, this elegant piece exudes a sense of timeless sophistication. Find out how to bring opulence and warmth to your home with this stunning design. Elevate your space with a futuristic acrylic room divider, complete with embedded fiber optic lights that change color to match your mood. This dynamic, translucent panel not only divides spaces, but also creates a mesmerizing light show, ideal for modern and high-tech interiors. Discover how this innovative design can redefine your home's ambience. Thank you for joining us on this journey through unique room divider concepts. Whether you're looking to add elegance, functionality, or a touch of whimsy to your space, there's a design here for everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more inspiring ideas from DECOLOVA. Share your favorite room divider in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.